Why you like to support Soundstrike?
Yeah, I guess like it's important to support people of every kind. It does not matter if you're gay, if you're like black or white. It's the same. Like
Humans.
be together, be human, friendly, polite.
So you think this idea is a very good idea?
I think it's a very good idea. Yes.
And you, as an artist, you think you should be support something like that?
Not only me, I guess like, and not just artists. I guess everybody should like supporting an idea like this.
Okay, thank you.